There's an error that a lot of people are making when they speak in public that instantly destroys their credibility and makes them sound weak. I call it the froggy, and it happens in two different situations. The first is when you're running out of air at the end of a sentence and you're basically starting to sound like a squeaky door or like a frog. And I might be exaggerating slightly, but I was literally just listening to a training on storytelling, and I can guarantee you it doesn't matter how good your story is, because if you sound like a frog all the time, like this trainer was doing, it's not going to have any impact. And this is actually the second situation where people do this, and that's when they, by habit, restrict the airflow over their vocal cords. Now, the fix is very simple, but it will take you some time to train this, and it's to allow yourself to have enough pauses to breathe properly and get enough air into your lungs so you can get enough power on your vocal cords when you speak.